Hallo, dag iedereen. Hello everyone. Mijn naam is Albert Bot, and people know me as meneer Dutch Brainwash. And in this special workshop, I would like to share something with you that will give you a great Dutch on a very short term, because too many people, they think that Dutch is a very difficult language. And what I would like to talk with you, what I would like to share, is something that I call Dutch flow. And Dutch flow is a place, I call it Dutch flow. Dutch flow is a place where speaking and learning Dutch is easy. And you're just having a lot of fun, you just feel at ease about it. Dutch flow doesn't mean that you know everything, it doesn't mean that you make zero mistakes. However, it simply means that while you speak it, you're having a great time, you really love it, and your Dutch is just getting better and better.